extended meeting of Congress Party at Koilamati. Madhuram Terang villagers seek PWD road ahead of MLA elections. Third Karbikurpho football tournament concludes in Rongmongwe.
Good morning, viewers. Myself, Malin Timungpi, brings you today's news updates.
The third Karbikurpho football tournament organized by Deng Pilangso Youth Club at Rongmongwe concluded on Thursday. In the men's section, Hanjang Clan team defeated Tungjang Clan team 2-0 to win the tournament. In the women's section, Kronjang Anok Song defeated Tungjang Anok Song 2-1 on penalties to emerge champions after the match ended in a draw after full time. Rongmongwe VDC Chairman Bronson Terang, Rongmongwe Town Committee Chairman Sunaram Terang and several eminent personalities of the area attended the final matches. The LYC advisor Jem Kramsa said that the club will be organizing similar sporting events for the upliftment of youths in the field of sports in the coming days. Dilip Tokbi from Rongmongwe for 365 News India.
Ini 36 News India kelang apa ke hinggil teman. Itu 36 News India akhirnya sepini lada nili turun Rongmongwe patrua kalang makan pini nikan kon kecap Karbikurpho football tournament kibipon pini nikan ke thong mangdeng nang lelo na sinon nili tum la pini non sorlo tum bang apimi pen ke patrukon non final patrukon lo sorlo tum final patrukon bom lo desa non son final patru anok song amen lake tungjang lapen kronjang anok song tum sinon sorlo tum bang final patrukon bom lo kasi pini litum nang penangan nang cetong dum do aprangsi nili ilitum dak DLYC koncung bang atumaphan lamthei sini Arju konsina. Temhela non DLYC along nikan ke Karbikurpho lada ke khela dhula penceng lok TV pon ke cepatil pi pon ahin pen ke bang nilitum ladak Rongmongwe pathua klam along nilitum kadogowe nilitum asai long tingwai tingsai pungsi nilitum Karbikurpho angbong nilitum kapathu pon lo apenenga ma keng dengi yong dung dak nimsot bimar pen chenglok kapek ansu se Rongmongwe angkang ngagura la pensil yong dung nilitum long mena nok song long lapen paprangun juga pola LYC ada di Pilangso Youth Club hendak kami boi seperti itu konsisten serono yang kenang letum ladak pini labangso indeng atom kecokan kibi pon ke konani ni pentong kedang lakukan nang kibi pon mate danang kum alok danang mo kibi pon ahok lo la sobang ke ni letum ladak madu pele ke bang takalilo dak Rongmongwe angkang lapen selimukha angkang long kedo adong tim samelang tumangbong kirap citu cehang si laswang bong pensi ini halus semar punon tim semar tangke pini nalit tum ladak dengan mencoba pon long ke komada aku dah bolong khani dima jatuh bola bisa bola normal di tolong mangso itu kita bekro terang nok songdo yang nok songdo tungjang nok songdo lati nok song ko angbong wan sini tum patu
The Congress Party in Koilamati and its workers and supporters from Daikrung and Kasumari polling station organized an extended meeting at Dungdungja picnic spot situated along Daikrung River in Nilip MAC constituency on Thursday. The party organized a meeting to discuss the party's strategies and also interact with the party supporters ahead of the forthcoming Assam Assembly elections. MCCI President Binarson Ronghang, Vice President Elijas Pangcho, General Secretary Fabric Kro, Nili Block Kisan Congress Committee Chairman Khojan Rongpi, Daikrung Polling Station President Ram Rongpi, Kasumari Polling Station Secretary Madhuram Terang, Mahila Morta leaders, several Gaumburas and Sorkari Gaumburas of the nearby villages and the party supporters in large number attended the meeting. Speaking during the meeting, the party leaders accused the BJP of not carrying out any development activities for the welfare of the public. The party leaders also appealed to its workers and supporters to work with sincerity and dedication in order to ensure victory for the party's candidates in the coming MLA elections. The attendees had their lunch together after the meeting. Moses Teron from Nilip for 365 News India.
Ni dak Kolamati Habar Dungdungja Alangro Akungalong dak Kolamati PCC President Kolamati PCC Hini Kapangrum Peningkan 2020 31st earning Roso Ame Kepa Alam Tela Hello Pima Polodang Tela dak Non Kebangji Nikan Surina Inkoraisi MLA Mate Assembly election Bangpul Kangwai Rangso Lama Puthak Pini Arsik Jitpen Pini Chingwai Ponsi Ladak MCCI Nilip Lapen Ladak Adukawe Muhila Congress Lapen Youth Congress Lapen Ongdung PSLC Pen Nagache Tongdo Korte Tumdo Lapen BJP Pen Gewangdo Kasi non Arsik Jitpen Non Ephoy 2021 Assembly election Kasi Pahai Ponji Palam The Pen Chingwai Ponsi Pini
Nila hui pen nilitum BJP sarkar finding dok dedam alamang gela hello nilitum along jobkar sitami nangli sitami jobkar hodar tum han sitami nilitum phan poisa nangli sitami nilitum phan ke kikom son sin tum phan hilu phar pre phong bong pen nilitum phan pharu phong bong sin nilitum phan ki chotlo la penako hemso hai sitami nilitum phan amenalis do sitami nalitum jong sia kapre ka sarkar long jong si dudun polodang ki ni nang lito pan maso hem sitami nang pikek kede ji kusin lito pan nang giter som dulu lapen
Madhuram Terang village located in Diopani MAC constituency and around 1 kilometer away from National Highway 39 was established more than 60 years ago, but there is still no PWD road in the village till date. A small direct road runs through the village and connects the village with the nearby villages and marketplaces, keeping the village connected with the rest of the world. However, during monsoon, the roads become slanty and get filled up with mud, making it difficult to even walk on foot, and during winter, the road becomes dusty and even dirties the ring well and other water sources in the village, posing a serious health threat to its inhabitants. Lack of good roads have disabled the villagers from availing ambulance services even during severe medical emergencies. Students and people from all walks of life have to face several inconveniences around the year due to lack of good roads in the village. The villagers have expressed disappointment with Mukut Mahanta, the elected representative of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council from Diopani constituency, saying that he has not visited the village even once to inquire about the conditions of the village and its inhabitants. The villagers have now requested Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council authorities, the PWD department, Karbi Anglong MP and Bokajan MLA to construct a proper road in the village before the forthcoming Assam Assembly polls, or else they have threatened to not cast their votes in the election. It remains to be seen whether the villagers will finally get its first PWD road before the MLA elections, or they will have to wait for more years for it. Only time will tell. Jotno Singh Bay from Borpotter for 365 News India.
Lang plate pensi kecelat na lapen ningkreng hut puludang te nampun ningkreng apor hut puludang te aduk jang plung mason sidu kasi iskula somartum kichardi somartum kidam ke bang sabe akasik sagdo bari khapor ho tangte langbung lakloi pen inghan pen cycle ke bek same ba keng beng kidam bu same inghan pen ajat pen kidam ke bang kasik sak akisum thepik lo kasi council asor ba CMM ba MLA MP ahin ben stame ni tum kachuning riji ba kachuning ri kangtung du bang lalo bangso towar ke hinu kicok ke hinu ajoy ne pen nang towar nang pi sonte ba towar stame nang bonai pi sonte pulo
lanai cuma hawar long mengkan kan bagdo lorong pathetang
pineng pen an bang ke ningkan phokep pura hini an arta dulu abang suarong
labang suatu war ke non mat ke PWD yang gelang gede
non amat ke labang suatu warga deng dila
penai cuma humus jamian kopi ni
Deopani constituency
non akon labang su kontinsi long MEC non pinyon dan cuma humus gelang mah
nang humri rela
nai cuma lah keisi long nai tung kopi ni kecunung dia sondum mah
do lo la sote nga kisung ke boy wote ke tuning rije bang ke kenang solo.
Dear viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.